Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are fine by the grace of the God. Today we are going to learn about supplementary reader. Before that, I would like to ask questions. So, do you like to eat chicken, mutton, sambar and rasam? What is the main ingredients? Yes, it is a masala is the main ingredients. So, in this lesson, you are going to learn about masalas. So, what is this? This is cinnamon. In Tamil, pattai. What is this? This is clove. Clove means in Tamil, lavangam. What is this? This is pepper. In Tamil, millet. Guess the lesson name. Yeah, we are going to learn about spices of India. Spices of India. In India, spices are the soul food. That means when we think of spices, we think that is a tasty and healthy food. When we think of spices, that is a tasty and healthy food. So, spices are added flavor to balance nutrition. What is the meaning of flavor? Flavor means taste of food. That is a flavor means flavor means taste of food. So, what is the meaning of flavor? Taste of your food. So, spices are added flavor to balance nutrition. Balance nutrition and keeps us healthy without fat or calories. Spices like cumin, mustard, pepper, cinnamon, turmeric, clove, fennel are important in Indian food. Spices of India: cumin, mustard, pepper, cinnamon, turmeric, clove, fennel are important in Indian food. Did you know what is spicy curry? Curry means, the word curry comes from Tamil language curry, K-A-R-I. In Tamil, curry means sauce, S-A-U-C-E, sauce. So, spicy curry means something that is cooked with roasted or powdered mixture of spices, flowers, leaves, roots, bark, seed and bulbs are combined in many ways to produce a great variety of flavors. So, what is spicy curry? Spicy curry means something that is cooked with roasted or powdered mixture of spices. So, it is comes from flowers, leaves, roots, bark, seeds and bulbs. What is the meaning of bulb? So, a rounded underground storage organ present in some plants, like example onion. That means spices give flavors of sweet, sharp, hot, sour, spicy, aromatic, tart, mild, fragrant or pungent. So, when we cooked with meat, fish, vegetable, it gives a savory taste. It want to food eat as more. In 1492, Columbus went west to find India and pepper. Unfortunately, he reached and discovered America and Chile. So 6 years later, Vasco da Gama went around Africa. He reached Kozhikode, Kerala, so home of pepper. These voyages ended with a profitable trade, set a new world. What is the meaning of voyages? Voyages means they travel by sea or space. Voyages means you have traveled by sea or space. Spices were always important part of India's trade. So spices were always important part of India's trade. So spices were traded with Mesopotamia, China, Sumeria, Egypt, along with perfumes and textiles before 7,000 years ago. So nowadays spices are easily available. In olden days spices are very expensive. So spices were traded with Mesopotamia, China, Sumeria, Egypt, along with perfumes. So India is also famous for perfumes and textiles. So spices also used for cooking. Spices is not only used for cooking, it also uses in the 18th century. Spices are used in Ayurvedic medicine. So spices are also used for not only cooking, it also uses in Ayurvedic medicine. In Middle Ages, a pound of ginger is equal to a sheep worth of a sheep price. So a pound of maize is worth of a 3 sheep or half of the price. So pepper is the crown jewel of all spices. So pepper is the crown jewel of all spices. Next we are going to see about black pepper. So black pepper is known as black gold. It is otherwise known as black gold. So in India, using black pepper for a long time, India have been using black pepper for a very long time. So farmers began growing around 5,000 years ago and exported various parts of the world. Exported in various parts of the world. So soon they traded, soon spread to Greece, Rome, Europe and China, and also popular in Islamic Empire. So soon they spread to different parts of the world like Greece, Rome, Europe and China. It is also popular in Islamic Empire also. So Roman sent 120 ships to get pepper from India. Roman sent 120 ships to get pepper from India. Cinnamon. India have been using cinnamon for a very long time. Cinnamon not only adds great flavor but also preserve foods. So cinnamon, it also helps to preserve foods. People from the other parts of the world appreciated fragrance and taste of cinnamon. People from the other parts of the world appreciated fragrance and taste of cinnamon. Greek, Romans, Egyptians bought cinnamon from India. Greeks, Romans, Egyptians bought cinnamon from India. So I hope all you understand the lesson. Thank you, students.